Can an ancient mantra truly influence our brain, body, and consciousness? For thousands of years, the Gayatri Mantra has been considered one of the most powerful chants in Indian culture. But is there any scientific logic behind its power? Let's explore the mystery of the Gayatri Mantra through the lens of science. The Gayatri Mantra is derived from the Rig Veda. Om Bhur Bhuvah Swah Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. We meditate on the divine brilliance of the Supreme Creator. May that light illuminate our intellect and guide us on the right path. Now, let's see what modern science has to say about it. According to recent studies in neuroscience and sound therapy, chanting the Gayatri Mantra can. It stimulates alpha brainwaves, associated with calmness and meditation. MRI scans show that regular chanting activates the prefrontal cortex, the area linked to focus and decision-making. Every syllable of the mantra produces a unique vibration. The sound, Om, resonates around 432 Hz, often referred to as the healing frequency. These vibrations help balance the body's 7 chakras, energy centers. 3. Reduce stress. Studies show that just 15 minutes of Gayatri Mantra chanting daily can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone. It stabilizes heart rate and blood pressure. For students and professionals, it enhances mental clarity and emotional stability. The Gayatri Mantra is not just a spiritual chant, it's a form of sound-based therapy backed by science. Regardless of religion or background, chanting it for just 5 to 10 minutes a day can be incredibly beneficial for your mental and emotional health. So why not embrace this ancient tool for peace and clarity? The Gayatri Mantra is truly a gift for the mind, the body, and the soul. How to practice? Sit in a quiet place, spine straight, eyes closed. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Chant the mantra slowly and mindfully. Practice during sunrise or sunset, ideally 108 times with a mala. Conclusion. The Gayatri Mantra is not just a spiritual chant, it's a scientifically supported method to enhance physical, mental, and emotional health. Its vibration aligns mind, body, and energy, creating harmony within and around us. Gayatri Mantra in Sanskrit. Om Bhur Bhuvah Swah Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Meaning, Om, the Supreme Creator. Bhur, the physical realm, earth or body. Bhuvah, the mental realm, mind or energy. Swah, the spiritual realm, soul or consciousness. Greater than these three represent the purification of body, mind, and soul. Tat Savitur Varenyam, we meditate upon that most adored divine light of the Creator, Savita. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, who is the source of wisdom and enlightenment. Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat, may that divine light awaken and guide our intellect. Powerful benefits of Gayatri Mantra. 1. Sharpens intellect and wisdom. Enhances memory, concentration, and clarity of thoughts, especially helpful for students and decision makers. 2. Brings peace and calmness. Regular chanting brings inner peace, reduces anxiety, and balances emotions. 3. Increases positive energy. Creates vibrations that cleanse negative energy and bring positivity to your surroundings. 4. Promotes spiritual growth. Connects you to your higher self, encouraging self-realization and inner awareness. 5. Improves relationships. Calmer mind and emotional balance help in better communication and empathy. 6. Protective shield. Works as a spiritual armor, shielding you from negativity, fear, and bad influences. 7. Health benefits. Deep breathing while chanting improves oxygen flow, reduces stress, and balances heart rate and nervous system. 8. Brings discipline and balance. Helps you build routine, focus, and self-control through consistent daily practice. Gayatri Mantra benefits for the heart. 1. Regulates heartbeat. Chanting the mantra involves deep, rhythmic breathing, which helps to stabilize the heart rate and bring calmness to the body. 2. Controls blood pressure. The mantra reduces mental stress and anxiety, leading to balanced blood pressure, especially helpful for people with hypertension. 3. Reduces stress and anxiety. Stress is one of the biggest enemies of heart health. Gayatri mantra chanting lowers cortisol levels, stress hormone, which helps relax the heart. 4. Supportive for heart patients. Doctors and wellness experts often recommend meditation for heart conditions. Chanting the Gayatri mantra serves as a healing meditative tool for recovery and emotional peace. 5. Emotional balance and love energy. It awakens positive feelings like love, compassion, and forgiveness. This balances the heart chakra, Anahata chakra, the energy center associated with emotions and heart.